Namaste children. Last two classes we have learned prepositions. First one is explanation part and second PPT is we have done with the grammar book. Now we are doing with the practice book. The name itself we are saying this book is for practice. Okay, same topic, prepositions only. Now unit 4 and get ready, open your practice book and get ready with your pencil, eraser, sharpener and watch the video and write the answers immediately. Okay, I am not going to send any picture now. Look at the picture. Then read the story given along with it. Fill up the missing parts in the story to complete it. First one, a crow was sitting dash a tree branch. It had a piece dash in its beak. A clever fox came dash the tree. He wanted to eat the piece dash cheese. He said, "You have a very sweet voice. Could you please sing a song dash me?" The crow began to sing caw caw. The piece dash fell dash. The foolish crow lost its piece dash cheese. See, these are the sentences given here. We have to fill the blanks with the suitable prepositions. Now I am going to again. A crow was sitting dash a tree branch. Yeah, it's right. It's on a tree branch. It had a piece dash a cheese in its beak. Of piece of cheese. Second, fill in the blank. Now go for third. A clever fox came dash the tree to the tree. He wanted to eat the piece dash cheese. Again off. On, off, to, off. He said, "You have a very sweet voice. Could you please sing a song?" Yes, it's right. For me. The crow began to sing caw caw. The piece of cheese fell off. OFF or down. Fell down is correct, suitable. OFF also, it's right. But generally we use fell down. The foolish crow lost its piece of cheese. Now go for next page. Here all the words that you have filled in the blanks are prepositions. Yes, prepositions tell us how a naming word or a pronoun is related to other noun or pronoun in a sentence. So, pronouns are relating words. We can say with the definitions, pronouns are relative words or relating words. It relates noun or pronoun to another words in a sentence. Here they had given noun and pronoun only. Noun and pronoun not. Some more words we had seen already in the last videos. If you did not get understand, once you see the videos to get it. Okay, the words given below are often used as prepositions. Before, after, up, down. See here, remember that some prepositions already I said in the last video, some prepositions we used as adverbs as well as prepositions. Before, after, up, down. These are the prepositions we use for the up, down. These are the adverbs also. Okay. Now you read these words. Okay. Worksheet 1. A little puppy is very naughty. Look at him. He cannot sit silently even for a minute. Like you children, you can't sit in one place for a minute also. Given below are some pictures of him taken by his master, Ankur. This is little puppy. Little puppy's master is Ankur. Write 6 sentences about him. Here this puppy is considered as male puppy, so that's why he used pronoun him. Using the clues from the 8 box. given on the next page along with the pictures. The first one is one has been done for you. These are the pictures, first picture, second picture, third picture. In the next page, if you see, you can see first picture based on one sentence is there, second picture based on the second picture you have to write another sentence. Okay. See here, the puppy is peeping into the jug. Already we saw the first puppy is. Now second sentence is what? It has keys in its mouth. I can't go the previous slide, so I am saying that. What sentence will come here? See, help box is given, only verbs given. The puppy is continuous tense, present continuous tense we have to write. The puppy is keys in the mouth. What verb will come? Peeping already done. Running, jumping, waiting, sitting, holding will come. The puppy is holding the keys in its mouth. The puppy is holding the keys in its mouth. What preposition we use here? Here into. Peeping into, it's a moving action. But keys holded, already it's there in mouth. Holding the keys in its mouth. The puppy is holding the keys in its mouth. Now third one. See, now you say beta. Very good. The puppy is common in all the sentences. The puppy is running around the box. Around. Already we saw, if we go the last PPT, around means it went round through the round the box. Around. The puppy is running around the box. Around the preposition here. On the preposition we have to use. Puppy what? What is the action here? Sitting. Yes. The puppy is sitting on the box. Now it is standing. Where it's standing? Standing is there? Waiting. Okay, waiting. The puppy is waiting at the door. At is there. The puppy is waiting at the door. Preposition at we have to use. Now sixth one. The puppy is. Remember that the puppy is common in all the sentences. Start with the capital letter and end with full stop. The puppy is jumping. The puppy is jumping over the box. Over the box. So movement is there. Okay. Next. Worksheet 2. Ashish is very worried about the young generation causing a lot of pollution every day. He wishes to live on a pollution-free island. One day, Ashish finds a map in his grandfather's almirah. After looking at it, he says, "Wow, I would love to live in the woods on the left bank of the river." See that. He used so many prepositions here. Wow. I would live. To live, to preposition. Live in the woods on the left bank of the river. Understand? See, he had used three to live on the left bank of the, in the woods, on the left bank, on the bank of the river. Work with your partner, look at the map carefully and decide where you would like to live. Mark the place on the map. Take the help of aid box given on the next page and write about the place you have chosen. See here aid box is, here map is given. Okay, here map is given and based on this map, I am not going to show again because you have textbook. You can see in the textbook. Same map is there. So, you have to use this map and write like these sentences on the next page. Okay. See here. If possible, try to use all the prepositions. If possible, we can use all. If we cannot, sometimes around may not useful there. So, how many prepositions you are able to write your own way First example, I will say that I would like to already given. I would like to live in town. Where is the town? The town is in the southern part. It is between, see the map. Where is the town? It is between ruined castle and desert. And desert. It is beside the ruined castle. We can write again. It is beside the ruined castle, or we can say the beside the river also. It is below the desert. And it is far from the mountains. It is far from the mountains. Next, I would like to live. This time where we will write ruined castle. We can write here ruined castle. I would like to live in ruined castle. In ruined castle, it is beside the river and below the woods. Yes, it is beside the river and below the woods. It was built on a flat land. On, we use preposition on a flat land. It is near the island. See what prepositions are used from the 8 box: in, on, from, near, far. Far is given, not given. Okay. Up, between, we used between, beside. Okay, like that. I will tell again sentences once again. First you listen. If is there any trouble, once you pause that and listen, you pause the video again. I would like to live in town. The town is in the southern part. It is between ruined castle and the desert. It is beside the ruined castle and it is below the desert. It is far from mountains. Now second one, I would like to live in ruined castle. You can write here in own way. Don't depend on me. Just I am giving examples. It is beside the river and below the woods. It was built on a flat land. It is near the island. Now we'll go for the worksheet 3. Look at the pair of words in each part. They all look similar, but the second picture is slightly different from the first one. Work with your partner. One of you should ask a question while the other replies. Compare all the pictures and find a pair of twins. See, another work is there. Compare all the pictures and find a pair of twins. Look at the following examples. See here, the picture is given and question is asked, and we have to write using the preposition. Start the, you can write where is the mango? The mango is on the table. Full sentence also it's correct. But they had given with the, to emphasize the prepositions they started, they had given the phrase, not the sentence. Just answer. Where is the dog? Under the table. No, but next we will write, we should write the prepositions as well as full sentence. Okay. Now, next go for page number 30. Now we'll focus mango. Where is the mango? Write the question. Where is the mango? It is near the table. Yes, it is near the table. Now second picture, we will focus the ball. Where is the ball? The ball is on the table. Now third, where is the mango? Or the mango is near the table or it is near the table. Now second, where is the ball? The ball is on the table. Now go for B picture. D picture. C. Now where is the mango? The mango is on the tree. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? The dog is on the Where the dog is beside the table. You may ask me now, teacher, we used here near the, in the first picture, near the table, and you are saying the beside. Near or beside quite similar beta, but to use the preposition I am saying that. Okay, beside, near, little bit difference, some near means, beside means by the side, immediately. Near means somewhere far from the beside. It's not close, it cannot very near. Very near is beside, somewhat little far is near. Now, where is the mango? The mango is on the tree. Where is the dog? The dog is beside the table. Now here we focus the dog here. Where is the dog? The dog is in front of the table. Now where is the mango? The mango is under the table. Now again I am reading the question. Where is the mango? The mango is near the table. Where is that ball? The ball is on the table. Where is the mango? The mango is on the tree. Where is the dog? The dog is beside the table. Where is the dog? The dog is in front of the table. Where is the mango? The mango is under the table. Now picture dash and dash are the twins. Which pictures are twins? Turn page. Page 1, page number 29, turn. See the, observe the picture and same kind of picture where you find. See, A and C are the twins. You observe that and tell me whether my answer is right or wrong. Now we'll go for worksheet 4. Read the given story of a kind boy. Choose the correct option from the boxes to complete it. Little Johnny. Little Johnny was sitting dash a bench on dash a park in. Little Johnny was sitting on a bench in a park. He was looking at the colorful butterflies. Suddenly, an old man came and sat beside him. The man took out a book from his bag. Yes, from his bag and started reading. In about half an hour, the man got up, went away. Johnny noticed a black wallet. Wallet means purse. Wallet dash the bench. Under the bench, he found some cash and a few slips inside the wallet. He looked for the man and saw him standing on the road. He ran and handed him his wallet. The old man thanked him and blessed him. Johnny felt proud of his good deed. Okay, now I will tell answers once again. Check. First one is on, in, at, beside, from, in, under, inside, for, on, off. Okay, go for next page. Worksheet 5. Shruti is on a holiday in Nepal. She decides to send a postcard to her mummy and papa. She has written the postcard, but she has left certain blanks. Help her fill these blanks so that she can send the postcard as early as possible. So children, you have to fill these blanks to help Shruti. This is Shruti. Okay. Dear parents, or dear mom, or dear dad also you can write, but I am writing here parents. I am dash a holiday on dash Where she is? She is in Nepal. So in Nepal. I am on a holiday in Nepal. I am staying. Hotel Royal Singh. The hotel is close dash the Darbar Square to the Darbar Square. My room is on the fourth floor. The view of the city is very clear from here. Very clear from here. I stayed with my friends place for the first day as no room was vacant in the hotel. The food is good. I will be staying here for a week. See, regards Shruti. This letter is written by Shruti. You fill the blanks with the suitable prepositions. Go for next page. So, here, discuss with your partner how people mentioned below would have traveled. Then enclose one phrase from the 8 box to fill in the blanks. Here, in the 8 box, some phrases are there. Phrases means, I already said, phrase means group of words without complete sense. Okay, some meaning will be, but it is not a sentence. But it is a group of words. It has group of words. Now, first one, when the President of India went to the neighboring country, he travelled. Generally, President of India, how he goes? Yes, in the aeroplane. So, what we say in the aeroplane it is given here? No. By air or by plane we have to write. By air or by plane. Anyone you write here. The Stone Age man would have moved from one place to another. How he went? How he had gone? In the earlier time, on foot. We can't say by foot. We have to say on foot. Vasco da Gama went on sea voyage, but Neil Armstrong went into the space dash. So Vasco da Gama went. He is an explorer. He went in the sea. How sea voyage? How he went? See how we'll go on sea? On a ship. Very good. On a ship. But Neil Armstrong, did you remember who is Neil Armstrong? Who stepped first on the moon? Went into the space. How? Very good. In spacecraft, you are very well aware of this knowledge. The postman goes dash to deliver letters. How he goes generally? Yes, by bicycle. But nowadays, no postman, no letters. Mostly you may get courier. Now they are using bikes. But generally postman uses cycles to deliver the letters. Most people who travel Delhi to Haridwar travel. How they travel? Haridwar to Delhi. Delhi to Haridwar. How they? By bus. Yes. We don't know that is if you are aware of that. Some are North people are there in our school. They know very well Haridwar to Delhi how they go. Or if you go for any tour, you come to know all this. All the celebrities went to the inaugural function venue. Generally, inaugural function, any inauguration, any opening ceremony, celebrities will be invited to open that. Celebrities, how they will come? Yes, by car. By bus, by car. Fifth one is by bus, sixth one is by car. My elder brother went to his college. Generally, brothers will go on a motorcycle or motorbike. So, I will tell the answers here. You choose. First, on foot. On foot, which answer? Second. By air or plane? First. On ship. Third answer. First one. By bus. Fifth answer, by car. Sixth answer, on a bicycle. Fourth answer, on a motorbike. Seventh answer, in a spacecraft. Third one, B answer. Okay, we'll go for next. Okay, do it yourself. Already every exercise in the practice book, every unit after do it yourself exercise will be that based on the previous knowledge you have to do your own, apply your knowledge. Okay, the passage given below has not been edited. There is no error in each line. Underline the error and write the correct word in the space provided as shown in the first one. It was late dash the night of the night, not in night or in the night. At night will come, but the night is mentioned, no, in the night will come. Anita was looking out dash her window. Out of her window, out through the window. Out of, generally we say out of the window. Out of her window. She saw a stranger. She saw a stranger dash the street. In the street, not at the street. So you have to underline yet. Wait a minute. Can we use your pen? We have to underline at. Now he was looking to a new car. Looking. See here, what is the fill in the blank here? Anita was looking out at her window off or through. She saw a stranger that at the street, no, in the street. Now he was looking dash a new car. At a new car, not to a new car. He tried with force, to open the front windows in the car. Who tried? That person. In the car, not of the car. Okay, but he did not succeed. Anita called out at him, but he did not look up. So at place what will come? Of or through. At place in. At to place at place with. In place of. And in place at. Now you have to read this para by using this. You may get this kind of paragraph in the examination also. Remember that. Now complete the dialogue by filling the suitable words. These are the two people, they are talking, and this is a dialogue. Dialogue means if you say only one person is speaking, monologue. Dialogue means two persons, vice versa. They are interacting each other. That is called dialogue. Log means saying words. Di means two. Pinky, hello, may I speak dash Grima, please? You should ask like this when you speak, when you call to someone, you can say like this. May I speak dash Garima, please? Mr. Agarwal, she is not dash at home. She has gone dash the doctor. May I know who is calling? See, now fill in the blank. First one, hello, may I speak dash Garima? May I speak to Garima? Here second, Miss she's not at home. She has gone to the doctor. May I know who is calling? Pinky, I am Pinky. I am calling. Yes, correct. From Janaki Puri. I want to know if she would be going to the picnic tomorrow. Mr. Agarwal, no Pinky, she cannot go tomorrow. She is suffering. She is suffering from. Generally, with fever we say from high fever. Not with fever, not from. In fact, she has gone to the doctor for her checkup. Now I will read out the answers once you say to, at, to, from, to, from, to, for. I hope you got answers. We'll go for next page. This is the last page. Even though it's long video, I am doing that. We have to complete this practice book. Rewrite these sentences correctly. You can change a word or two if you have to. Add words whenever necessary. Here, one word is given wrong. We have to give the right word. So, all the no need to change only the word. We have to rewrite the sentence with changing word. Don't write only the changing word. Okay. Rakhi came all the way by foot just to meet me. Just now I said it's not by. What we have to write? On foot. Okay. Now rewrite the sentence with on. All the children on the class are making noise. What is the wrong here? Very good. It's not on. It's in. Okay. Next. Latika screamed on the top of her voice. On the top of. At the top, not on the top. On the top means on the roof of our house. No, at the top we say. At the top. Okay, I am standing at the school premises. No, school premises, not at the school you can say, but premises say no. What will come? In the school. In the school premises. Democracy is a government of the people, by the people. What will come, beta? Yes, for the people. That is democracy. On the people, by the people, of the people, by the people, and for the people. Okay, complete the following story. Ritika and Saksham were good friends. Some days ago, they went to a park. The two of them played for some time. Ritika and Saksham were good friends. Some days ago, they went to a park. The two of them played for some time. Ritika saw a little puppy sitting under a tree. It was licking its paw. Ritika went near it and picked it up. Saksham was scared for doing that. When Ritika picked up the puppy with her hands or in her hands, it started with her hands only will come. With her hands, it started licking her. A thorn means mulu. Thorn dash the paw had caused a wound there in the paw. She removed the thorn. They took the puppy along with them and applied some medicine on its wound. 2 days later, the puppy went back to the park happily. Now I will tell answers again once you check. To, of, for, under, for, with, in, on, to. Already this is 30 minutes, it's over. 30 half an hour video is crossed. So I'm going to close now here. See, you have to check your answers. After fill up the gaps, you have to read the story. You will get the exact meaning of the story. Okay, thank you children.